All right, so I'm going to use the remainder concept for this question. Due to the keyword remaining money, okay? So a man left $32,000 to be shared among his wife, son, and daughter. So this is the total amount of money, all right? His wife got 2/5 of the money. So you can see that 2/5 of the money, and his son got 5/8 of the remaining money. Okay, so I have two information here. One is the wife, one is the son. Then the daughter received the rest of the money. How much money did his daughter get? All right, so for this question, I'm going to use remainder concept via fraction of. Okay, so this is how we do it. First things first, we find out how much the wife received. So wife will be 2/5 of the money. So the money total will be 2/5 times $32,000 like this. Okay, so 32000. So you can cancel this and this. 32000 divided by 5, you get this and this. Then you times 2, you get 12800. The wife received this much. Okay. Then I need to find out the remainder because the son got 5/8 of the remaining money. So I need to find the remainder. To find the remainder, I need to take the total, which is $32,000, minus away $12,800. Okay. This will give me $19,200. So now I can find out how much the son received. Son is 5/8 of remainder equals to 5/8 times the remainder is this one, 19200 equals to, so cancel this one and this one, 2400. And you are going to get 12000. Right, this is what the son received. Now daughter will be the rest of the money, means the balance lah. So you take 32000 minus the wife minus the son equals to 32000 minus wife is 12,800 minus son is $12,000, and you will get 7,200 answer. Okay.